Hello, cryptopreneurs. Welcome to another edition of CEOs, Crypto Edutainment and Opportunities. I remain your number one bishop of Crypto Cathedral. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at another money-making opportunity. And we are going to be talking about a coin that I think is grossly undervalued, currently undervalued. And it is called Vulcan Forged. Yeah, Vulcan Forged. It goes with the ticker PYR, okay? So I'm going to be telling you why I think this coin is grossly undervalued and the potential I see. I'm also going to be giving you my price predictions for this token, okay? So currently, Vulcan Forged PYR is going for about $4.12. Yeah, I think this token is going for a steal right now. They've been doing a lot of development on the ground. So just before we go into price prediction, what really is Vulcan Forged? Yeah, PYR, okay? So Vulcan Forged is a blockchain game studio and NFT marketplace. Yeah, it's one of the top crypto gaming projects we have right now in the crypto space, okay? So it's not just a gaming studio, but it's an entire ecosystem. So yeah, this is the Twitter page of the Vulcan Forge, and these are part of their product that they are currently working on. Yeah, even during the bear market, these guys have been building, they've been developing their product, and they've been going into partnership with big brands. Yeah, and this is actually giving them more popularity, and I think that is part of what will make their token do wonderfully well in the next bull run. Okay, so these are part of the product they are currently building. We have the vulcanverse, which is a metaverse. We have the Metascape, which is a metaverse maker. We have the Elysium that has just been released some days ago, and this is live now. Okay, that is a metaverse L1 blockchain. Okay, so they currently have a blockchain called the Elysium that powers the entire ecosystem. Okay, so they also have all frenzy games they play to earn. They have Agora, which is a metaverse marketplace. They also have Elysium Swap, that is a metaverse DEX. They have Forge Nodes. They have Vulcan Virtual Reality VR. Okay, so these guys are seriously developing their product and they are gaining massive partnership. They have faces behind their product and they've been doing wonderfully well in recent time. Okay, their Explorer just went live. You can see the Elysium Explorer. Okay, so this has just gone live so that it can actually power the entire ecosystem, all the transaction relating to the PYR ecosystem. Okay, so I think these guys, they've been working tirelessly to develop their product even during the bear market. All right, so just before we continue, don't forget to smash up the like button so that this video can get recommended to others and a lot of people can get more opportunities, money making opportunities, of course. Okay, so hit up the like button, and if you're watching me for the first time, smash up the subscribe button and put on your notification bell. All right, so let's get down to business. As a gaming studio, currently I think they have majorly about 10 games that they have, and they're actually good games that you can play around with. Okay, so they have an NFT marketplace, even a DEX, and so many other things. Okay, so I won't be going much into the technicalities of the tokens, but I think they are actually doing wonderfully well, and these are part of their partners. But right now I'm just concerned about the price. Okay, so we've seen an all-time high of about $44. Okay, you can see even at $44, a lot of persons were willing to buy their token because they actually offer good value, and currently it's going for a steal, which is just $4.11. Okay, so if we scroll down to, let's say, the all-time high, okay, they are 91% down. That is grossly undervalued in my own opinion. So for Vulcan Forged tokenomics, currently we have about 50% of their total supply in circulation, so we are not scared of sell pressure as a result of release of their token PYR in future. Okay, so most of their token is actually in circulation. What we have withheld at the moment is the one that will be distributed as a reward system for the token holders, gamers, developers, and those people that actually make use of the ecosystem, okay, to keep the ecosystem alive. All right, so I've actually been observing the PYR token for a while now, and I've been noticing that a lot of bull has been accumulating this token for a while now. If you check on Binance, the trading data for Vulcan Forge at the moment is actually showing that there are large buys more than the large sales. Okay, so you can see this is for the last 3 days or the last 4 days, we've had large inflow of money into the Vulcan Forged token, okay, PYR. A lot of accumulation so far. You can see from the flow analysis, the 5 times 24 days flow analysis for PYR. Okay, so there have been a lot of accumulation. Also, for the past 24 hours, we've seen a large percent of buys on the 1 day time frame. You can see for 4 hours time frame as well, we have about 16% of large buys. Okay, so the bulls are actually accumulating it. Under 2 hours time frame, we still have over 18% buys. You can see there are a lot of accumulation going on. And under 1 hour time frame, we have over 22% buys. Compare the large buys to the large sales. Okay, you can see even on the 30 minutes time frame, there are no large sales at all, just large buys. Okay, so these are signs that the bulls are actually accumulating this token. So I'm expecting a runoff for this token very soon. Okay, since the recent rise of Bitcoin, Vulcan Forged token, which is PYR, has actually done just little or no movement at all. We've barely seen a 50% increase in price, so there's still a lot of room for price to grow with this token. We are currently at the accumulation period. Okay, this is a 1 week time frame, and you can see, let me use a horizontal line here to demarcate. Okay, so we can see we have a resistance level here. We also have a support level at this region. Okay, so you can see the price action has been around this region for a while now, and this is actually the accumulation region. This is the accumulation region where a lot of people that are bullish about this token are actually buying and stocking up. This is just something related to the DYDX. Remember when I published the chart for DYDX, we're just within the buy region too, something like this, just a few days ago. And congratulations to those that bought, because they've actually seen good profit. Some prices are over 100% on DYDX profit already, and this is similar thing that is happening right now to the Vulcan Forge. Okay, so currently we are still in the buy region, and we are gradually approaching the resistance level. And once we are out of this resistance level, pop, the price is gonna blow off. Okay, so just get set, because we are heading to the moon very soon. For all the PYR holders, those that are holding on to the token and are thinking, will this token actually do well in time to come? I think it will. I will advise to just hold on to your token for a little more, and you will see the good returns on your investment it's gonna give to you. Okay, and those that haven't bought and actually they are considering which undervalued token should I actually invest in, this is an opportunity for you to get in early on Vulcan Forge. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. This is just for you to see an opportunity and venture into it early, because a lot of people actually go after pumped token, and it's not the best. To get the best return on your investment, you go for an undervalued token like this and wait for it to pump. Okay, so where do you think this price will get to in near future? Sometime around ending of 2021, we had the price peaked at about $44. So where do you think the price will get to? Well, I actually think we might go far above the last all-time high. Yes, that is my prediction for this. Okay, also if you check the 24 hours volume on CoinMarketCap, you can see we are gradually having an increase in the volume of trade for the PYR token. Okay, so you can see gradually a lot of huge buys are coming in, and once you see the volume increasing like this, the next is to see a surge in price. Okay? Alright, so the current market cap for Vulcan Forge is about $112 million, okay, which is pretty small compared to its competitor, and I think it will even do way more than this. Okay, so Gala is one of the closest to compare Vulcan Forge with, and we have Gala sitting at about $391 million market cap. Okay, so if we are to check what will be the price of Vulcan Forge with the market cap of Gala, it means we should be having something like about 4.29x. okay, and that is pretty good. If we have 4.29x from the current price, it means you should be having the price of Vulcan Forge, that is PYR token, for about $17.66. okay, this is pretty good, and it means if you put in, let's say, $1,000, you could have as much as $4,400 in once the market cap gets to that of Gala, and it will do that in no distant time from now. PYR is currently ranked around 244, and I think it has the capacity of being in the top 100. With the progress that the team has made so far since the bear market, with the progress and the large partnership brands that they've been signing, I think this will go way beyond $50. Yes, if you ask me, I think we may just see a $50 to $80 within the next bull run. Yes, yeah, I know that usually not all tokens actually get to their previous all-time high, but for Vulcan Forge, I think this may even outperform its previous all-time high. Yes, and we may even see as much as $100, because they've actually made a lot of significant growth, and you know the gaming industry is actually very large. See what happened to Gala a few weeks ago, just within days, couple of days, and Gala pumped for over 300%. So we may actually see the same thing with Vulcan Forge. So probably before the end of February, we should have seen Vulcan Forge come out of this accumulation period and actually maybe heading to the next resistance level, which could be around this region. Yes, this could be the next resistance level at about 8.4, which is just about 100% from its current price. Okay, so I think we may just see a 3 to 4x within the next 1-2 months of Vulcan Forged. Yeah, that is my prediction. And for the long run, yes, Vulcan Forged is actually a good hold for the long run. This is what the price chart look like on a monthly candlestick. Okay, so you can see holding this for a long run will actually pay you off. Yeah, I think you can make as much as 10 to 20x of your money, or even much, because I think the gaming industry will go crazy. Okay, so this is a very good hold both for a short term and long term. All right, thank you very much for watching. I remain the Bishop of Crypto Cathedral. More opportunities coming your way. Don't forget to hit up the like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit up the subscribe button and turn on notification bell for more updates on CEOs, crypto edutainment, and opportunities. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day.